When looking at different practices and best practices in distance education, one really has to kind of look at what is driving it, what is making it unique, and some of the things that I kind of pulled up in the three articles I was chosen to do actually had to do with context. One was from 2013, one was from 2006, and one was from 2004. With all of this unique perspective and time frame kind of comes into play with this, some of the things that kind of drove where I was going with had to do with deeper learning as well as student motivation. And really, as a classroom teacher, that is what you always wanted to have. But in the context of distance learning, I never thought it would become such an issue. One of the things that comes out in the Nasaya uh, article has to do with it's a motivation issue. How do you keep them motivated? How do you keep them engaged in stuff? And this came out in 2013. And one of the things that they point out was basically what you have to look at is that tapping into the learning and motivation for pursuing it. Now, that's easier said than done, but in distance learning, you have to be creative. You have to think outside the box and you have to kind of push the envelope. Now, the other item that kind of came out with was a 2006 article, and that was by Smith. And it had to do with the context of science. And science deals with, the facts, and the diving the deeper. And what they really point out is how to build a lesson that actually truly brings that out. When you know how to do that and you know how to tie that in together, that is it. And truly, that is what the purpose of distance learning is to actually go ahead and make the students understand, feel like they're still part of a class, but yet not have to be in a physical class and that's in physical environment. And that's what this project that we've done in this class, as well as everything that has come out here lately, has been done.